Okay, guys, any doubts?
Hello, Jason.
Hi.
Can I see my screen?
Just go ahead.
Sure. Are you able to see my screen?
Not yet.
Now?
About
Actually, I the query
your
last
screen
time.
is totally blurred.
Blood?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Let
Blurred
me
in the
share my
sense it's
screen.
very dim.
Dim?
Yeah.
Is it now good? Sorry about
Just a
that.
moment. Still, but okay, you can go ahead. I don't know why.
So I was saying that last time I was asking about the tooltip, right? So I was work around, and right now I am able to find the tooltip under the dimension field, which you can see now. Right? It is giving the tooltip, not having the tooltip on the profit or the sales. So what is happening is over here, I'm not able to figure out like how to remove this axis only for the half part.
Only for the
this half part, like this one, right? Downside. This one.
I think those are axis lines, right? You can remove those axis
Yes.
lines. Right, go to format.
Yes, here.
And in format, not font, lines, yes, lines.
Lines, and then
Row, go to rows.
rows.
And sheet level, everything is none. Okay, then go to borders. Yeah, remove row divider. Why? What? Now thinking. Yeah, now they are gone.
But it's gone, right? But it doesn't look up. If you see the upper side, it is going for the upper side as well.
But that is how they work.
Like,
so want to do one thing in column divider, the level one, right? The level. No. In the column divider.
Sorry. Okay. Column divider.
Borders. Level.
Yeah.
Decrease that. Go to sheet. Go to sheet.
See.
The column divider you have level, right? Column divider. Niche.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, this is not. Yeah, it is gone if you see.
Okay.
Yeah, it is gone. Right?
It completely gone.
Yeah, it is gone. Upper you're having line and below it's gone. That is what you want, right?
But here again it is coming up, right?
That level of customization, I'm not sure we can do that.
Yeah, I know it's more on the formatting, but yeah.
That thing I'm not sure. Wait. That row divider. Go to axis. The lines. Go to lines.
Lines. Okay.
Yeah. No, everything is none. I think we cannot do more than that.
Okay, in that case, because I was thinking with the other options to achieve the same requirement. So here I'm trying to achieve the same requirement for the tooltip only. So here I'm getting this one. How can I remove this color and just wanted to show the number?
Where you are changing, I think go for placeholder. Second one, two, third value in your columns. Yeah, go there and edit color. Then you are giving color there, right? Give it white. The other one then, yeah, the other one also you can make it white, right? See, the other one which is showing black is gone now. So play with
this one is gone.
Yeah,
if
for
I
the other
go
one also it will
for this one,
gone.
So, but here are two lines that these two numbers is coming up, right? Maybe I'm doing some mistake.
Remove that. Why do you need placeholder for that? Remove third in columns. Remove third and fourth, fifth column. You don't need them.
This one?
That one. Remove that. Why do you need them? Right?
Okay.
The other
Okay,
placeholder
this
also.
one
The
now.
third one. The third placeholder also. The third one. That one.
Third one.
Why are you putting so many placeholders? Yeah. Don't confuse yourself by making all these. Okay, I think you got
Actually,
it.
but yeah. So here, last time you were mentioning about to append it, right? I'm like, this we have partially received the achievement, but here to show the text, I was not able to
You
follow,
should
so
put
I was
another
trying
sheet.
with the other approach.
For that, you should append another sheet. Because when you use
So when,
these placeholders, right, it's not possible to show individual level headers there. So you need to create another sheet for header and put it there.
so would you mind like how to achieve that one? I was like
Just
not
put a
getting that
sheet
one.
in that, just in the rows, just put all those names that you want to show and just put that above that.
Okay, in the sheet.
Yeah, in this rows, put all the text that you want. Or create calculation without text fields. Yeah. No, only text fields, single text field.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay. In that, put some text.
Like this, blank.
Anything in between. You are putting null, right? Will not show anything.
Yes.
If you put there, then whatever you are getting, you are showing null, boss. It will not show you anything. In the text, in the calculated field, you need to put text.
Okay, my bad.
Right?
So here I have to put this one.
In the open that calculation event.
Okay. Event.
You didn't put anything. What text do you want there? Put that in single quotes. Okay.
Event.
Put that in single quotes. No, again you are putting a calculated field which is having multiple values. It will not give you the text. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Here, if you see, what I'm saying is, like this, you put all the calculation that you want, header 1, header 2, and so on and so forth. And then in the dashboard, attach that in the top.
Okay, first sheet will be that, and second sheet will be this one.
Yeah.
In that way.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.